How to create a sales funnel. This is Paul. He is an entrepreneur who wants to sell his own digital products online. He needs a way to show them to visitors, so they can make a purchase. Consequently, Paul will need a payment processor to collect the monies and have them directed to his bank account. This process and the logic behind it conforms to a sales funnel. A basic generic sales funnel consists of a landing page, a sales page, a checkout page or order form, a confirmation page and a thank you page. Over time, Paul would want to seize on the visitor's checkout transition and present additional related products so the total purchase value is increased. This he can achieve by setting up sells, downsells and bump offers. Any or all of these will show before the thank you page. All of this may sound too complex to set up, but there is good news for Paul. He can easily build his sales funnel in 2 minutes. Hard to believe. Let's find out in the following demo. Mintbird will change the way marketers set up their funnels, compared to the traditional funnel builders like ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, Leadpages and others. Not only that, but you also have the opportunity to profit from its launch on July 29th. I can give you access to 3 amazing bonuses by signing up on the page shown below. These won't last for long, so take action now to secure them. Click the link below and fill the form. You have nothing to lose but a lot to gain. Thanks for watching and I will see you inside.